So I've had my Ledger Flex for roughly 2 months and my Ledger Stax for roughly 2 weeks. I'm gonna let you know which one I think is the better value in just a moment, but first, if you are planning on buying a Ledger Flex or Stax, feel free to use the link in my description or scan the barcode on screen. If you do, you get $20 in BTC, I get $20 in BTC. It's win-win and it helps support the channel. With that being said, back to the video. So guys, when it comes to cold storage wallets, I have played with quite a few of them. I always seem to come back to Ledger because I like how their system works. I like Ledger Live, I like their PC app. To me, it's just an overall cleaner and better experience. From time to time, I have gone to touchscreen wallets, mainly my EliPal Titan, which was fine. I just had some touchscreen issues on it. I do believe they came out with a newer one recently. So I might go take a look at that, see if it fixes some of that touchscreen issues. But which one do I prefer? We're going to go over some of the smaller things real quick. We're not going to get too technical on anything. I'm basically going to explain, do I think the Flex is worth it or the Stax? When it comes down to it, obviously $150 price difference. When we take a look at the screen size, obviously bigger screen size with the Stax, 3.7 compared to 2.84. Other than that, the Stax has wireless charging. For me, it's not the biggest of deals, and it comes with the magnetic case. The magnetic case, in my opinion, isn't that great. It's nice that it comes with it, but to me, it's not the most secure thing. When I've tried to plug it in the past, I've kind of pushed it out of the case. Easy fix, just move my finger to where I can't push it out, or I can start taking advantage of the wireless charging. Easy fixes there, but for me, those things don't matter too much. Is it worth the upgrade from the Ledger Nano X to the Flex? Absolutely. It's $100 difference. The touchscreen makes things so much easier. You barely have to charge these things. Like I said, I've had the Flex since August 14th or 15th, I think. I have a video on the channel with it. But when it comes to the Stax and Flex, to me, it's worth saving the $150 and sticking with the Flex. With one exception, because I did test it again today. If you are someone who deals with Caspa, the Ledger Flex is not for you. I do not know why. I've emailed Ledger. I'm waiting for a response. Once I hear back from them, I will let you know. But the Ledger Stax, you can download the Caspa app. The Ledger X, you can download the Caspa app, and the Nano S Plus, you can download the Caspa app. It's only the Flex that doesn't. So if you're someone who deals with Caspa and you're only going to have a Flex and you don't have any of the other devices, I would say skip it. If you are someone who has a Ledger Nano X or S Plus and you're looking for the Flex to be like your main device, but you still have access to those, that would be the way to go. It's just my opinion. For the $150 less, you can use that to buy Bitcoin. You can use that to buy Cardano. You can use that to buy Solana. In my opinion, it's worth keeping that money in your own pocket and just stick with the Flex. But I'm really intrigued on knowing what you guys are going to do. Are you planning on getting a Flex, Stax? Maybe you're happy with your Nano X or S Plus. Let me know in the comment section below. Guys, I know this wasn't a very high-tech video on this, but I did say I was going to try to get a video of just which one I would personally recommend, and for the money, I do think the Ledger Flex is the best value. But with that being said, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.